What is fiber? It feels like everyone tells us to eat more fiber. But what actually is it? Fiber is a carbohydrate that comes in two forms. Soluble fiber is great for lowering blood sugar and cholesterol, while insoluble fiber acts like a broom that sweeps out the digestive tract. A steady intake of fiber can help you live a healthier lifestyle. It stays in your gut longer than other materials, which helps you feel full longer. When you think of high-fiber foods, dull beans, broccoli, or grains might come to mind. Luckily, getting more fiber doesn't have to be a snooze. The USDA recommends a daily intake of 25 to 35 grams of fiber, and just 4 delicious Medjool dates from Natural Delights account for over 25% of the recommended daily fiber intake. Medjool dates happen to provide an excellent source of potassium, 16 essential vitamins and minerals, and they're certified heart-healthy. So fill up your fiber needs with dates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting food facts. Visit naturaldelights.com for more information.